Good morning mga kabubuyog. Tama kayo, nakita nyo. Papasok tayo ng Valenzuela City. Pupuntahan natin ng NSCR Valenzuela Station Site. Tara, lipad tayo doon mga kabubuyog. Ayan mga kabubuyog. Unang stop tayo. Go na Power Ranger. Yan mga kabubuyog, second time mapupunta ulit tayo dito sa Valenzuela City. Nag-ready tayo, nagsapatos. Bawal kasi daw yung hindi nakasapatos pag nagmomotor. Dire-diretso lang. Hindi ko alam kung anong mga barangay ito, kaya hindi ko masasabi sa inyo kung nasaan na tayo. Pero gagamitan na lang natin ng as usual, Google Instinct. Biyahe lang mga kabubuyog. Yan mga kabubuyog, habang bumabiyahe tayo, ilalagay na lang ulit natin sa screen natin yung mga nagko-comment. Shoutout sa lahat ng mga nagko-comment sa lipad ni Galang Bubuyog. Yan, bawal tayo dito, bike lane. Yun, lumagpas tayo mga kabubuyog. Kanan tayo dito. Punta tayo doon sa pinakamalapit na lugar kung saan pwede tayo magpalipad ng drone gamit si Bubuyog. Yun, dun. Kaliwa tayo dito mga kabubuyog sa Valenzuela Memorial Park. Yan. By the way guys, shout out kay Camshop ni Eds. Siya yung nagsabi sa atin kung saan tayo pwede magpalipad. Ang pinakamalapit dun sa NSCR Valenzuela, kasama yung Dipo dito sa Valenzuela. Tingnan natin kung anong mga pagbabago dito sa Valenzuela Station Site. Balita ko yung launching gantry wala na raw eh. Nung huling punta kasi natin dito, 2 span na lang yung natitirang lalagyan niya. Eh matagal-tagal na rin yun, mga 1 month ago. Yan mga kabubuyog. O diba, natatanaw nyo na. Merong crane. Ito yung Dipo. Ang ano dyan, nandun yung trend sa baba. Naka-curious tayo eh. Hindi natin alam kung paano ba aakyat yun dun. Paano ba pupunta dun sa itaas. Kasi elevated siya. Alamin natin ngayon kung mapapaakyat natin sa taas. diba? Andito na tayo sa spot natin. Mula dito, natatanaw na natin yung mismong station site. At wala na siyang mga scaffolding sa bandang gitna. Dito, tanaw din natin yung train, yung dalawa. Wala pang gumagawa kasi maaga pa naman. Ganyan tayo, kaaga dito, mga kabubuyog. Wala nang patumpik-tumpik pa. Lipad na, bubuyog.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? Let's go! Hey! Yeah, this is my life, my strife, my right to fight, to die on. And this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name, and I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous that I might screw everything up that I've ever done. But what's the point of living if you ain't having fun? I guess I'll try this, try that, might miss, gotta find what I'm good at. I guess I look here, look there, over where am I scared, where am I at? I gotta make it in this life, whatever makes me happy, know I'm doing things right. Sipping in the summer on a goose and Sprite, or find a nightclub for the end of the night, And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding. From the words I spit, so sharp, so freezing. So cold, behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts peeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for change, I just love the feeling. I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. Cause I'ma live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I go by at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time, and I'll soon be winning. I live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I go by at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time, and I'll soon be winning. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon.
Ayan mga kabubuyog, natapos na nating liparan ang Valenzuela Station site kasama yung main depot dito sa Valenzuela. Nakita natin, nandun pa rin yung dalawang bagon, yung dalawang tren. Hindi pa dumarating yung karagdagan kasi may nag-message sa atin dati nung huli nating pinuntahan to, nung huli nating liparan. Ang sabi, paparating pa lang daw. So yun, nakita rin natin yung pwesto kung saan pwedeng umakyat yung tren. Doon pala siya aakyat. Ito lang yata yung station na merong akyatan. Tapos, yung mismong station site, yung mismong station, clear na yung kung left side, wala na siyang scaffolding. Tapos yung pinakabubong naman ng station, naghahanda na para kabitan ng roof trusses. Yan ang update dito. Yan ang nakita nating update dito sa Valenzuela Station site. Hanggang dito na lang muna mga kabubuyog. Pauwi na. Thank you, thank you.
Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Click the like button and the notification bell down below. Thank you.